How to reinstall Discord? Need a clean install of Discord? Here's how to reinstall it safely. First, uninstall Discord. On Windows, go to Control Panel, then Programs and uninstall a program and remove Discord. Next, clear leftover files from your Windows. Delete the Discord folder from the app data of Discord. Also, check local app data to clear the cache. Now go to discord.com and download the latest version and install it. If you had issues before reinstalling, this process wipes out any corrupt files or cache problems. Did reinstalling solve your problem? Let us know in the comments below. A fresh install can do wonders for performance and stability on Discord. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.